up, beauties? It's your girl Dynasty, aka Flawless D, and we are back today with another video. And I am so excited because today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I usually do on my channel. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. So we're going to be doing hair, we're going to be doing this makeup look, and I wanted to do like a little chit chat like live while I was making the video, but obviously that didn't happen. This video is going to be a voiceover because y'all, my twins, they a mess. They don't care that mama out here trying to make a YouTube video, okay? They're all over the place, and it just was not working, the chit chat. And it was some juicy chit chat too. So maybe I'll try it again in the future, but this is just gonna be a voiceover. I actually was inspired by Laurasia Andrea. She did this look and I was like, okay, let me see if I can recreate it. If you're new to the channel, sis, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. Please stay a while. Don't forget to subscribe, because listen, honey, y'all don't be subscribing, and I'm truly heard about it, period. Like, y'all need to subscribe to this channel. How else will y'all know when I post these videos if you're not subscribed and if you don't have your notifications turned on? Y'all don't like me? Because I love y'all. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you would like to see more content like this. Also, y'all, go follow my Instagram, because when I'm not on here, that's how y'all can keep up, you know, with what I'm doing and everything like that. And yeah, I will see y'all later. Bye. Okay, so I'm just going to be starting off by taking this Vaseline and putting it on my lips, because them things was definitely crusty. Y'all, I was already so ashamed to be on camera with just my stocking cap, because my head is like big, but it's still like a peanut head at the same time. But we being transparent and whatever, so y'all don't judge me. But I'm gonna be putting on this synthetic wig today. It's called the Nisha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. It's in the color Butterscotch, and I did wear it before, so it's not fresh out the pack. As you can see, I'm just going right in with the got to be glued and putting it around my edges. I'm not doing a ball cap method. I don't feel like the ball cap method is necessary every time, especially for me today, because I'm not wearing this wig past today. I'm taking it off when I get back home. So yeah, no ball cap method every time. Just spray the got to be around the edges. I pressed it down. Now I'm going to go back and spray a little bit more. I'm sure y'all have seen this done a million times, y'all. Like, I really slapped this wig on my head so fast. I probably had got to be crushed all around my face, because when I tell y'all, I slapped this wig on so fast. So, you know, if you're looking for a more, you know, crispy look, you might want to take your time a little bit more. But y'all know I am not a hairstylist. I just do what I can when I can do it. But you know, I can do a little something. But yeah, we just slapping this wig on, nothing serious. Just putting the got to be, spraying it where the wig is lifting up, making sure that it's just nice and secure. And I really don't even care if it's all the way, y'all, like on, because literally I'm gonna snatch this wig off as soon as I get back home. Yeah, see that part? That's all I'm worried about. That's all that I'm worried about. Okay, now I'm just moisturizing my face a little bit with this primer that I got from the beauty supply store. This is only like my second time using this primer, but it seems to not be greasy. And y'all know I have like really oily skin, so I hate products that are oily and greasy. And this one seems to work pretty good, so I like it. Now I'm just doing my brows. I usually don't use brow pencil or eyebrow gel that is this light, but since my hair is blonde, I decided to make my eyebrows just a little bit lighter than I usually do, and I wanted them to look like really like natural. Y'all, I've been working on like new eyebrow techniques and stuff, so y'all gotta bear with my eyebrows for a little bit. Eyebrows are my thing. Like, I love doing the eyebrows. Eyebrows shape the face. That's like my most, it's my favorite I can't talk. I can't freaking talk. It's my favorite thing to do on the makeup is the eyebrows, because y'all, eyebrows can literally make or break your face. They shape you. So I have my own way of doing them, but I've been trying different techniques to just like get different gradients with the eyebrows and stuff. So y'all bear with my eyebrows. We're working on them. They're a work in progress. But right here, I'm just taking the P. Louise base and I'm putting it all over my eyes for my eyeshadow base. And I'm going into that Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette into the brown color at the bottom, just for a transition color. And I'm just putting it all in my crease. Now I'm going to the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. Was it the Saharan palette? I'm going into that orange color and I'm just packing it, or swiping it, packing it and swiping it into the inside corner of my crease. In that same palette, I'm going into that chocolatey brown color and packing it and swiping it into the outside of my crease. Okay, and I'm just going in between, back and forth in between those colors, making sure they're nice and pigmented. I took a little bit of that P. Louise base and packed it onto my lid with my finger. That's where I'm going to put my nude eyeshadow. So I'm going into this Warriors. I can't talk today, y'all. I don't know what it is. I think maybe I drank too much coffee, so now I'm super jittery. But I'm going into the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, into that new color, and just packing it onto my lid with that dense fluffy brush. Making sure I'm going back into that brown and that orange color. Just back and forth, y'all, making sure the colors really stand out. I'm using my J. LaRue pigments. Y'all know how excited I get when I get to use my J. LaRue pigments. These pigments are so bomb. When I tell y'all, like, some of the best pigments on the market, if you're looking for some popping colors, make sure you get this stack, because sis, you won't be disappointed. Okay, for the wing, ooh, child, y'all know how I feel about these wings. And if you don't know, sis, go check out my last videos, because you're going to find out real quick how I feel about this wing liner. But I'm using my favorite liquid eyeliner, which is the Precision Liner by Sephora. This liner I don't even want to talk about it. Just know I was literally holding my breath the whole time I did this liner, y'all. But it came out cute, so I was happy. And I'm just using these Real Mink eyelashes from the beauty supply store. Y'all know how I feel about the beauty supply store. Y'all know how I feel about my coin, honey. These are some really good lashes. I think they call like the I think it's the style Peach Beach or something like that, y'all. I don't know. I'm sorry, I can't remember. But it's only like 4 or 5 different styles of these lashes, and it's something with peach in it. So if you like them, just remember that. I'm using this Ruby Kiss matte foundation in the color Mocha, which is actually not my color. I accidentally grabbed the wrong one. I have all of these foundations in every color that it comes in. I think they come in like 16 shades. I actually use them on my clients. Y'all, this foundation is a drugstore must-have for oily and combination skin. It works so well, and it is really inexpensive. It has great coverage. I definitely recommend for inexpensive yet great foundation. Just make sure you get your right shade. I usually wear the maple, but like I said, I just accidentally grabbed the wrong one, and I accidentally put too much. You don't need that much, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, right here I'm just setting all over my contour with this Duo Contour palette from Nika K. It is from the beauty supply store. Look, baby, y'all gonna get enough about me talking about the beauty supply store, because I'm all about $1 and saving my coin, and I'm all about helping you save your coin. So we want to get the look, but we don't want to break the bank. All right, so y'all gonna hear about the beauty supply store a lot on this channel. So get used to it, girl. All right. Right here I'm setting on top of my highlight with the Black Radiance setting powder. I think it's in Banana. And I'm going right back into that Saharan 2 palette. I'm using it as my blush, that orange color, and I'm just rubbing it. I'm just swiping it onto my cheeks. And I'm going back into that bronzer that I got from the beauty supply store as well. Don't sleep on the beauty supply, girl. Don't sleep. Now I'm finna do my lips. I'm using this Celeste matte lipstick by Kiss. And guess where it came from? The beauty supply store. No, but seriously, y'all, I like this lipstick. It dries down so matte, and the colors are just so pretty. They had so many colors in the beauty supply store. I wish I could have got them all, but they was like $6 a piece. And for the beauty supply store, that's a little bit much for my coin that I'm trying to spend per lipstick. Okay, so we get that next time. Now I'm just setting all over my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, which is one of my favorite setting sprays. And y'all, that is pretty much the final look. I'm just adding a little bit of highlight to my nose and to my cheekbones from Juvia's Place, and that's it, y'all. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I loved making it. Y'all let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you would like to see more videos like this, or if y'all want to get a chit chat video next time. I'm gonna have to see if somebody can watch the babies, because I really want to get that done for y'all. But y'all make sure y'all don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, turn your notification bells on so you won't miss the next time I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.